T is for train. As you can see, we have our big train track here, and we have 3 major stops on our train track. We have the barn and the town where the people live who work on the farm. We have the mines where you can go and get gold, but also coal and other important things like that. We have Cranky, the crane, who he's going to help us get some goods. It's going to help the trains deliver what they need to deliver. So first, we're going to start off over here. So the train goes chugga, 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 chugga. He goes into the mine, and then zoom, he goes out. Oh no, he's trapped. And now he has a car full of coal. He's going to take it over here, and he's going to stop, and he's going to deliver the coal. They're magnetic, they get stuck. So he delivered the coal. These guys are gonna move to make room for him. And then he's gonna go all the way over here. And back into the mine to get more for later. Now this kind of train looks a little different on the side. It has windows and stuff because this is a passenger train. So this is a kind of train that you could get on with your mom or dad, and then you can go different places. So this train is going to take some people to the farm, if I can figure out how to do that. This guy's gonna move. Sorry, bud. All right. He's going to take some people to the farm. This is your stop. Now this train is a very special kind of train that is used for moving things around. So he has some pipes here. He's also got this cable, which maybe he could use to help fix Cranky the crane, if you wanted to. So now, here he is. He's going to deliver the pipes. Woo! And now the wire can go over with this. And he's all done for the day. So those are just some trains that we have, and these are our train tracks. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.